Hello YouTube, this is a brand new chain. I'm using a 3/16 file. This is my second pass from the packaging. I'm trying to hit every cutter with 4 strokes of sharpening and try to maintain a uniform nature of the cutting tool. In relationship to what I'm really looking for, the desirable numbers, 25 degrees. The reference point being your guide bar. Yep.
You always need a sharp chain while sawing wood. Advantages of having a sharp chain is you're gonna keep your engine bearings, especially on the PTO side, that's the clutch side, longer because your engine is efficient. You're not overloading your engine with too much unnecessary force with your left arm on your handlebar. And also you're not gonna cook your engine. For example, if you have your engine with a very lean premix, you're not gonna cook your engine because it's really cutting. The load and no load is really working well. You really have to keep an eye on that. You always have to keep an eye on a sharp chain when sawing wood. For example, on the log I'm sitting on, I had 3 passes on it, got 3 sides of the back off. Now the next thing I'm gonna get to is sawing some wood off, some lumber, some proper lumber. Yeah, a funny guy trying to adjust my hat at times. Really helps me out with the sun glare and the dust on my head. This is an Oregon, I think they call this an Oregon PDX chain, I'm not quite sure. It's a full chisel chain. With a 3/16 file, you get a baby C out of it. I'm gonna show you later on the footage. At times I try to switch things up and try to experiment with all kinds of files, 5/32, 7/32, and 3/16. But for sewing purposes, when I'm backing, I use a 7/32. But for this exact thing that I'm doing right now, 3/16 works just fine. And when the chain is almost done, when it's past half-life, I use a 5/32 file. It gives me the perfect curvature for chip flow. It's always a charm to do such kind of things, to shoot videos for you guys, and I really hope that you do enjoy. If you do, consider subscribing or maybe sharing to your buddies who are interested in such kind of things. Yeah, you do enjoy. I think there's some several minutes of footage before I get to show you the results of the chain.
I'm gonna give you a preview of my sharpening. See? It's a C, a perfect C. This one right here is a C. This one right here is a C. You can see this one right here is a C too, a perfect C, perfect C, perfect C. I've gone all round the chain, and now it's time to sew.
See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.